Hello everyone, my name is Donald Paul, and I want to share my journey as a filmmaker. I come a long way in my filmmaking journey because I was born deaf, which means I'm primarily a visual learner. In 1992, my interest in photography has sparked, and in 1996, I discovered the captivating world of filmmaking. I vividly remember a family member holding a VHS camcorder, and I wanted to play with it. Unfortunately, I was rejected because of my deafness. But that rejection only fueled my passion, so I dug into studying and stayed motivated. I immersed myself in movie pour-over editorial magazine and became curious about filmmaking. I learned the works of famous creators, even though self-doubt whispered in the back of my mind, suggesting it might be impossible. Part of me always believed that there was a way. As a young person, I started making videos and capturing images. Even though I wasn't initially skills, I never gave up. Over the years, I persevered continuously mastering my craft. I had to learn about lighting and understand the technical aspect of cameras, study lensing for the perfect composition, mastering the art of editing photos and audio mixing, and even develop my skills in scriptwriting and managing workflows suitable for the industry level of filmmaking. Now, I can proudly say that I have advanced as a cinematographer. However, there are levels above that, and I'm eager to keep improving. I'm willing to expand my knowledge and collaborate with a team to create a fast-tail workflow. For years, I worked tirelessly to prove myself, even though finding people who believe in me was challenging. Instead, I focus on doing what I love, creating magic, and letting my work speak for itself. So here I am ready to embrace new opportunities, push my boundaries, and continue growing as a filmmaker. Thank you all for joining me on this incredible journey.